Welcome. In front of me is an LG K51s, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, obviously let's open up settings, and from there scroll down to system, and then reset, restart and reset, and at the bottom you'll find factory data reset, and it gives you a message that performing this will remove your Google accounts, system app data, downloaded apps, and probably more importantly music, images, documents, and any kind of backups. So probably the music and images along with documents is the important one. If you like to keep those, you might want to back it up before, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have either backed it up or you don't want to, tap on reset phone at the bottom, delete all, reset, and wait for the process to finish. This will take about a couple minutes, and once it's finished we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.